Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Hey, here's another vacation pic from the Lake Tahoe area and one of the 3 spots that we hit in their California trip recently. But let's talk about a trade that we had in the GrokStar room this morning. It was on RAX, R-A-X, and it had been up almost 20% in the opening this morning, and then it proceeded to drop, and now it's coming back here. We did do a trade here on a breakout here, and now it's forming what we call a Bull Pennant. If you want to know more about that, you go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, to our free chart school. Go to Bull Flag, because it's very similar to a Bull Flag. There's a picture of it. There's a description of it, and here's a picture of it. But instead of being in parallel line here, it's pinching, coming to a point. So take a look. Oh, by the way, for those of you who are going to be viewing this this Friday afternoon or Friday evening, Saturday morning we do have one more class of our gaps and trend reversals. It's going to be at 10:30 a.m. It's on Saturday Eastern time. If you want to go to that, just click right here. It's a place for you to sign up. Okay, back to our Bull Pennant here. See, it's a flagpole like here, and it's getting pinching pattern, pinch tighter and tighter and tighter. Now we want the market to come to us, so we're going to set an order up here if it were to break out, and we could set an order down here if it were to break down in a day trade like this. So let's see what happened next. Had my order set, and boom, there it goes. And I am now long at $36.58, long RAX. As you can see, it proceeded to glide up there. Look at that. Now let's see how it goes after that. And okay, we got to start managing our stop now. Now it's all the way up here. We're going to manage my stop, bring it to break even, and let's see where it goes from there. Boom, boom, boom. Now this is the R2 resistance line for the pivots, and it popped up above it and then pulled right back to the 8 EMA here, and it's kind of sticking around this area. So I am pulling my stop up here to about the 36.85 area, that if it does drop below those, I'm going to want to be out. So we now have a risk-free trade here because our stop is in the money, and it's going to go. Oh, and then it crashed down here, and I had my stop just below this pivot line, and guess what? It finally did crash below it and get me out at $36.91 for 1.0% in 23 minutes. Now again, you say, Mark, you didn't catch the top, you didn't catch the bottom. Well, you know, we're going for the meat of the trade here. We're not going to ever get the top or the bottom, but I'm pretty happy with 1% on that trade. Well, but I did get 4% on it in pre-market, so that was kind of a nice trade. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember that we want the market to come to us, not chasing the market. Trade well.